Mania, era himself kubanga atunudde mu kamera ye oba gwandaba yonna gy'oli gy'ondabira lunaku lwa ssanyu lunaku lulungi nnyo ddala ne kaweera kalungi wabweru lunaku lwa mukisa nnyo nnyo.
Lwaki ogamba olunaku lwa mukisa?
Buli lukya wabaawo ekyenjawulo ekituuka mu bulamu bw'omuntu ate okibanga kirungi webaza mukama akituuseewo kozi nange kino mbadde zisuubira so soon ekyokubeera nga ndabikiddeko ku Times Square mu New York because I woke up in the morning manager wange omu atali buta waliwo manager wange omulala nkwasaganya ensonga endala Julie alina byanyambako naye yampeereza videos ezo eza lulimba lwaffe olwa boarding nga lwe Times Square mu New York and it was kikwegamba kyadde kyanjawulo for me because si kyangu kutuukayo you know because fena tumanyi if you know music if you've been following ababeera ku Times Square kitegeeza there is so much that you've done and kyebabeera barecognize kiba kyanjawulo as well.
Okay, tulabye Times Square egambye nti nno egwe face of Afrobeats. Omulabi ow'eka ayagala kutegeera ki kyebadde bategeeza?
Well, ekyogera ddala wali celebrating nnyo music wa African artists mu ngeri ey'enjawulo. Mbadde ku billboards nyingi nnyo n'ezimu ze mutasobodde kulaba. Pitirifu mbadde ku playlists all over the world ez'akabi nyingi ezimu temusobodde ziraba but I don't know why anyway kikyo mukirabe naye celebrating African music in so many ways kati neyo it's one of like eringa nayo playlist era Body has been one of the songs ezibadde topping charts platforms ez'enjawulo. In fact Body the same song lwali nominated mu Afrima you know and nga bwe ngambye nti bibaddewo bingi nnyo. It's like a celebration gye celebrating a music waba African artists mu ngeri enjawulo. It's one of them. Ba playlist neri ku Spotify.
So an African artist muso Spice Diamond Okulabikirako kweyo billboard bwekyo. What does it take? Chicho obokoze ekyenjawulo abako kyatasikoze Jose Bibeki, people like that.
I think it's not about who has done it or what, but these people, but I don't know how they manage to look out for artists. Naye it's been like actually last year about contacting nabakozesa email yange ya business eri ku Instagram ne ku accounts zange zonna ne contacting one of my managers ku email eyo nga bagala kukolagana naffe. There's a company called Prime Music Partners. Bakola distribution all over the world. It's a very big company. Bakola distribution, a lot of things, marketing, billboards, but contacting abagala kola naffe. Tukoze nabe bintu bingi nnyo waliwo collaborations zenkozewo omuli ba Davido omuli ba Mr. Fred. I don't know if I was supposed to even mention this. Sure. But these collaborations in schools with so many artists all over Africa. So these are projects we've done with these guys. And then ne chine cha Times Square era ba contacting nga bagala the song to feature in the playlists and it has taken a while since they told us it would happen. Nemba didn't subira. So it was kind of a surprise because they didn't communicate when it was going to happen, but we knew about it.
So Spice, right now we want to say you in partnership with Prime Media.
Well, for some projects.
You in partnership?
Yes. So
what's the share between you and them?
What?
The share.
Well, kati we are contracts is with them. Yeah, because kati ne collaborations and you but it's actually I didn't have to make because these songs are not yet out. But they first contacted me for the song Body to be on the playlist stage in Gambia.
Okay. Are they promoting every project you collab with Nabo?
Not really. Not really. We have different contracts, like on different projects. Just like one or two, I want this and that. And most of us see as in Kolagana.
On all the features you're going to collab with those artists, are they the direct contacts?
Well, that's between us. It's between my management and them. One Aboban is a big team, but na contacting about you know, you don't know who contacts you for something. So basically it's a big company ngawe kugambe marketing, billboards, distribution. Katinga EP yange jengendo okufulumya. It has over 7 songs. I don't know, we might put more or even less than 7, but also government kakwate company ino oli nayo distribution by distributing enyimba zange and then nemufuningeje mukwatagana mu contract ya mwenye mwogera.
Okay, because when they contacted Eddie Kenzo for the last interview yatwala, they took the shares of the audio okubanga bam publishing. So are we seeing it on your ends too?
Sinzira enjogera yammwe omanyi kati ebintu ebyo it's like ngabe nake nimkola katula ba collaboration. Someone was asking me why isn't Miss Henry on the billboard.
But
no, it's not that. The song is my song. It is not his song where there's a collaboration. Kati ekyo kituukawo nga mwogedde n'omuntu mukola collab nene muga nga musazeewo mwenna olimba range oba lulo bwekito kiba. So newe kiba nga kaŋŋambe revenue aze era mukyogerako ani afuna revenue tugenda kugabanya wakati oba omu yafuna. So it's like biba mu contract ya mwe nga bwe kimukkiriziganyizanga abantu kimwagala. So nakyo bwe kiba contract yange izo yanjawulo with Kenzo, with any other artist okusinza mu kimwagala. You tell them what you want and now wakugamba what they want you to do for them. So
these are global influence. When they're partnering with someone, you get a chance to appear in the global awards.
Yes.
Spice. Are we seeing you that side?
If you wish
Is
for
it
me,
part of the contract?
if you wish me well, I know everything.
I already know the
Let
contract.
me tell you something. Auntie Katiola ebisere bisinga ne ba contract nga tewali maanyi era anytime ekera n'ensazibwamu, you know. But if your country people wish you well, I mean bino byonna bituukawo ne because njagala or because I'm the best, but it's because my fans support me to this level and they wish me to, like bagala banda bino yonna. I didn't know I would be on Times Square anytime soon. I'm telling you the truth, because otherwise it's a lot of money that is paid. A lot is another so affording. No affording, I can't pay it.
Okay.
Kubanga
do we see you changing the taste of music? Because in these contracts they even give you the direction of music they want you to put out.
Well, you can mix. Like you've seen me, I mix songs. Nekolayo ABBA, nekolayo limbo local, nekolayo dancehall, nekolayo R&B. So it's normally going up on me. You might stay over a different spice there and to okay, if it's an EP maybe we have a song that is going to be Afrobeat, or we have a song that is just like sound an international, or it's going to be a home song to Waka Uganda or East Africa. So just is that what you want. Artists.
Okay, for me about the EP.
Yes.
Most cases we are from your EP. It's either celebrating your achievement or via saying your journey. So what's your EP about?
My EP soon I will communicate, because now we're back big deco busy. It's not yet 100% ready, because it's not yet like we don't have even the dates yet to release. But Nyagan is my fans what I'm cooking, and I'll be releasing in less than 2 weeks from now. So soon I'll update you on what it's about, the behind, like I mean the story behind, what kind of songs. Never sitting your muntu wari picking, but I want it to be specific. What I feel, if it's a vibe, I just put it out there for my fans to enjoy.
Are we doing this EP for the January Chibulu? Because we already try to get about Chibuze yani Mukaya. You already Chibulu ya Chibula.
Chibulu about Chibula miyake is something my next concert.
Yes.
So well, it's like one of the the preparations Zendiko. Because people are asking me why I don't have a concert this year, and I'm like, I think I need to do a lot. I need to have more songs. I'm a person that I got a concert because people are telling me to do that, or because others are doing a concert. You're going to put young and ready, and I need to want my fans to get the best, Hello? Niku interview,
Case.
Nange ndikujaimia era mwangu yiko mabana muli.
Olabikira yeshibuye.
Kale sikatugale. Okay, kazemu ko.
Zengena kola watu muthe.
Well, globally omuntu inango badde opushinga music. waliwo platforms ezisingayo mu nsi yonna, and in New York it's one of the biggest cities ezitunda music. Okubeera nga Billboard ya Times Square wabeera like it has the biggest like platform okuselinga obulango, pay for anything and music, so many things. So Okulabikirayo, it is something really big for an artist. Kati nze njogera mu business yange nga music. Naye ne Kabalango, the only artists that have been there, the likes of Nicki Minaj, the Cardi B's, big artists all over the world. Era tojja kusangayo just any artist. And in Africa, we've had just a few artists, and I'm among the lucky ones. So ekintu ekyo normally these guys abamu bakisasulira, and we're talking about millions and millions of dollars that are paid okubeera nga olabikira ku Times Square. But if you're doing good things, normally ebintu bino bijja kusanganga gwe wooli wonna, and it will happen just like that. Because utangazamu about Prime Music Partners, these guys, it's not a record label. Ntibansayininze zikola ne manager Roger, resource management, and that's us. So Prime Music is like a distribution company going to Gambia, but distributing a music world, like all over the world. Sigama bakoma Africa, from East Africa, Uganda, Kenya, it's all over. That's why Wesangango live Times Square, or big platforms, big playlists all over the world. So that's what they do. Value marketing, billboards, distribution. So and all that.
So yingidde mu lubu lw'aba Drake balwaba Angelique
Well,
be distributing a music waabwe.
Yeah, these guys are really big. Actually, they're distributing a music with Diamond as well.
Diamond, yes.
They've worked with a couple of artists. So I was really blessed. I don't know when they contacted me, Nalo was a vice job, because I saw that email manager, business email yafe, and they gave them Prime Music Partners until we had chats, we had meetings, we had Zoom meetings with them. So we've been working with them projects, collaborations exactly. Mujazira soon with time when the
What did you maybe I Tanzania what Diamond, Mononya contacts?
No.